a nurse dreaming of an international career? If yes, this video is for you. Friends, I'm Sareh from the Visa Library. Today we are exploring how to become a nurse in Finland. I've covered everything you need to know, from qualifications to finding a job and more. Stick around until the end for our super helpful cheat sheet summarizing everything we cover in this video. It's perfect for a quick recap. And don't forget to smash that like, hit subscribe and drop a comment. Ready to get started? Let's jump into your Finnish nursing adventure. Number 1. Are nurses in demand in Finland? Finland urgently needs more nurses, and they are looking for skilled nurses from other countries to fill the demand. If you are a nurse, consider improving your language skills and starting the immigration process soon, as competition for these positions is growing. Number 2, what are the requirements to immigrate to Finland as a nurse? If you are a nurse with a degree from outside Finland and want to work there, ensure your nursing degree is valid and officially recognized. Get the green light from Valvira, the Finland Healthcare Authority, and prove you are fluent in Finnish or Swedish at a B1 level. Once you got the approval, it's time to look for a nursing job in Finland, which should be easier because they need more nurses. Finally, secure your work visa and permit by showing your job offers. So you require 4 things: having an approval degree, B1 level language skills, gathering Valvira's approval, and sorting out your work visa. Finland is a welcoming destination for international nurses. Number 3, how to immigrate to Finland as a nurse. To be a nurse in Finland, whether you studied there or abroad, you need a license. This applies to various medical roles like doctors, pharmacists, psychologists, and nurses. Licensing details vary by your nationality and where you studied. Valvira handled this. If you have an EU nursing degree, you can work in Finland by applying to Valvira. Fill out an application form in Finnish or Swedish. Provide required documents like your passport and diploma, and show language proficiency in Finnish or Swedish. Valvira will process your application in about 3 months. Once approved, you can work in Finland with a job offer. No need for a visa or work permit. If your nursing degree is from a non-EU country, send your degree to Valvira for recognition. Complete the application form and provide contact details for your degree issuing institution. You can also legalize your degree through the Finnish embassy in your home country. Ensure your documents are translated into Finnish, Swedish, or English by a verified translation office, and prove your language proficiency. Mail all required documents to Valvira in Helsinki and keep copies for yourself. Expect processing to take a few months. If Valvira says you need more training to become a nurse in Finland, they'll tell you what to study. After completing the required courses, reapply to Valvira with your language certificate and nursing qualifications. The processing time is about 4 months. If approved, you'll receive a nursing license and be registered in a national database as a recognized nurse in Finland. To work in Finland, you'll need a work permit, which can only be obtained from Finnish employers. You can find job opportunities on websites like Monster Finland, or seek assistance from employment agencies like StaffPoint. Once hired, sign a work permit outlining details like your salary, start day, and job responsibilities. To apply for a work permit in Finland, you'll need to apply for the first resident permit on the Inter-Finland service website. Complete the online application form and submit scanned copies of the required documents, including your passport, photos, employment contract, tax certificates, and more. If you're abroad, prove your identity at a Finnish embassy, or if you are in Finland, do so at a service point at the Finnish Immigration Service. Pay the required fee, visit the embassy or service point, provide fingerprints, and wait for processing. Once approved, you'll receive instructions for further steps, including passport submission, registrations, and obtaining a Finnish personal identity code. Number 4, nurses' salaries in Finland. Indeed, one of the most crucial factors to think about is the salary. Nurses' salaries in Finland depends on factors like education, experience, language skills, workplace, and role. Different sources offer varying figures, but on average, nurses earn about 4,500 euros per month, with salaries ranging from 2,900 to 8,800 euros monthly. Take advantage of your opportunity to start your nursing career in Finland. We've provided you with the essential info you need to take action. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share it. Remember to download the cheat sheet from the link in the description. Your journey begins now. Thanks for watching and see you next time.